Hey guys, we're going to demonstrate the YTI shoulder exercise. It's really good again for postural issues in the upper back, any pain near the shoulder blades, restriction in moving your shoulders, all sorts of things. Okay, for this one we're going to have Desiree demonstrate while I narrate. So Desi's already in the Y position, and this is the beginner's way to do it. We're going to show the advanced way in another video. Okay, so she has her hands out in a Y position above her head, and she's going to go ahead and lift her arms up off the ground while maintaining a chin tuck. Notice she's in a chin tuck position. That's the most healthy way to do it. And bring it back down. Okay, and that's one. You're going to do about 10 of those, 3 sets. Okay, and then show us the T position. Her arms are straight out by her side. Okay, and then lift up. Perfect, and down. And again, she's maintaining that chin tuck throughout. You're going to do about 10 to 15 of those. And then the I position. It's not quite all the way by her side. It's a little bit out. And then she's going to lift her arms out or up beside her. Perfect. And that is the I. We're strengthening all sorts of muscles by the shoulder and the shoulder blade. This is excellent for pain and restriction in that area. Try it out at home. We'll show the advanced version in another video.